Hey guys, Jason Catrone here. And we are Vocal Lab Collective.
Oh my gosh, I hurt my fingers.
Wow, what did you do?
Well, when we were doing the take of what we were gonna do, and I did the little.
Oh, instead of having the action.
Yes.
Katie dings the wine glass.
I do the wine glass so that our editor knows. Y'all, I hurt my finger.
Leave me take one. Oh.
It just got me cackling. Sorry about that.
Do you always cackle when you hurt yourself?
No, I don't.
Because that would be a good response.
Oh
hey,
my
what
gosh.
are we doing today?
We are listening to BTS.
Oh my
Save Me,
gosh,
and
we
need
are
them.
BTS insanity craze fans now.
I need them to save me from this moment right now. So.
Oh, good play on the title of the song.
Thank you. It might be a really good flow in because my finger hurts so bad.
Ow, Johnny! That really hurt!
Does it really hurt? Which one?
It does.
Show me,
This one.
that
Don't
little
touch
one?
it. Don't be like,
No.
does it hurt?
No.
Save me,
all of
BTS.
us. Just save us from ourselves. Hey, here we go. BTS. We know you guys love them. Let's see what's up. Another Tiny Desk version for you.
Oh, I like that track.
Yeah, that's hot.
Are you ready?
Oh, yeah, we ready.
Baby.
Army! Hey, can you hear me?
Ooh, the army.
Let's go.
We in it now.
His voice.
You
I
love
love it.
him.
I love him. Oh.
Oh, that little run sick.
Oh. That open up. Okay, real quick, some of my favorite things vocally that people do is when they start without going getting
yeah.
too heavy.
Yeah.
It's very balanced. It's like a really great
Totally.
balance there.
Yep.
And I love that.
I'm
Especially,
really picky with my clients about that.
yeah, as you should be, because you want them to sound like this.
Yes.
Oh wait, we're out of sync. We're always out of sync.
I know. Good call.
Okay, this is a dancing one.
Oh, yeah, that's a groove for sure.
Oh,
Oh,
Let's go.
Jason. Oh. Oh, what?
oh my gosh. Okay.
Did you hear that rasp?
I mean, all of that. Like, they were in and out of everything.
They sucked us in. We
Like,
forgot. We forgot we were filming.
God, I mean, seriously.
Yeah,
Like, everything about that.
that was so
the
fun.
rap to the hip hop moment to the cadence and the syncopation of some of the just spoken almost back into the song, and then they're just back into singing.
Yes.
And so lyric and
so
I-
good. But then
I
also when he
could
comes back
never
in,
do that.
he had a rasp to his voice that
Yeah.
I've not necessarily heard a ton of. And so coming from like crazy rap to that rasp, like sultry vibe was whoa.
whoa.
I mean,
So whoa.
such a fan. I'm such a fan. I love him. I'm
I like
crushing
him
on
too.
him.
Yeah, he's good.
Yeah, save me. I need your love before I fall. That's what they're saying.
That's good.
Okay, RM, let's go. 고마워 내가 나에게 해줬어.
Yeah.
해줬어. 이런 네게 나에게 해줬어. 꼭 이토록 나에게 해줬어. 답답하던 나에게 해줬어. 꿈속에만 살던 나에게 깨워줬어. 널 생각하면 나에게 해줬어. 슬픔
Okay,
He's
first
so
of all,
cool.
look at those glasses.
Yeah.
우리가 돼줬어.
He is so fun. There's my crush.
Oh, Katie, you like
I'm
him.
so crushing on him.
You like him.
I do. Because he's coming over and he's like, y'all, I'm like,
He
full
also
on.
just has that tone.
He has that tone.
Ugh.
He has the swag.
Yeah,
He's
they all got
wearing
the
a silk
swag.
shirt. I love a man in
Yeah.
a silk shirt.
Yeah.
And he just doesn't try, and I love that.
No. You know what I love too? Hearing the I'm gonna say raw and honest vocals on each of them in this
Yeah.
live setting.
Yeah,
It's not overproduced
they're-
like
no.
a track would be.
right.
So we really do hear all the true nuances of their natural vocal.
And you can be drawn to whoever your
Yeah.
ears and your
Yeah.
heart
Because in
and mind are drawn
production
to.
they try to blend all that
Yeah.
somewhat together, right?
Yeah,
And so that's really cool in this live
yeah, I
setting.
love that.
손을 내밀어줘, save me, save me. I need your love before I fall. Thank you.
Yeah.
You are welcome.
Oh,
and
you're
thank
so welcome. Thank you.
you.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh, y'all,
Do
you
you feel
saved
like
us.
you've gone to church and been saved?
I have been saved.
Oh, that was really great. It was really great.
I'm so sorry I've been giggly this whole video. First off, I'm also realizing how much I'm crushing.
You are so crushing.
Like I'm blushing when he sings.
Ooh, you
so,
rhyme that. That's, yeah. Did you notice
Crushing
I
and
did that?
blushing.
Yeah.
They can write a song after crushing and blushing.
About Katie.
Yes, I would.
Call the song Katie.
Love it.
BTS, your next song, Katie, Crushing and Blushing.
I
Was
would
your
die.
Go. That's right.
I
the
would
song.
die.
Write
Oh
the
my
song,
gosh.
right?
But you guys are the best. Thank you for sending this song to us.
Yes.
This
was a
incredible
fun
band.
Tiny Desk.
Oh my gosh, it was so
We
fun.
did the first song, and everyone was like, "Why didn't you do the whole thing?" Well, we break them into segments.
Yeah, we like
because
to give
we
a
don't
little
want to do
tease.
like a whole hour reaction.
Yeah, because we can talk.
And we would be really drunk at that point.
Very. Which maybe y'all would like. I don't know.
I mean, maybe we should do that sometime.
we should do a live. Let's do a live.
Well, we should. But Save Me, you saved us,
You
BTS.
saved us.
This was a really great song, great performance. All of it.
All of
Katie.
it.
I don't know what to say. That.
With
We're
that
giggly.
Said, we're giggly. All right,
We
make sure
are going to be back soon
we're gonna
with
be
another
back
video.
soon. Make sure you continue to share with your friends. Have them subscribe. Let us know what else you want to watch. But in the
Yep.
meantime, I'm Katie Talbot.
And I'm Jason Control.
And we are
Vocal Lab
Collective.
Collective.